Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Natron, natrium hydrogen carbonate, is sodium bicarbonate. This has numerous uses, one of which is as one component of baking powder. However, it is only one component. Baking powder also needs an acid to react with it.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Since baking soda is an ingredient of baking powder is technically the best substitute for baking soda. So, if a recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of baking soda, use 3 teaspoons or a tablespoon of baking powder.
Take our lead.
Natron is a naturally occurring mixture of sodium carbonate decahydrate, sodium carbonate 10H2O, a kind of soda ash, and around 17% sodium bicarbonate, also called baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, along with small quantities of sodium chloride and sodium sulfate.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.